Welcome to Bilingual Storytime. My name is Sandra. Hola y bienvenidos a la hora de cuentos bilingüe. Mi nombre es Sandra. Today we're going to be reading with permission from Henry Holt Publishing, an imprint of Macmillan Publishing. Let's get started. Rabbit, Rabbit, Rabbit by Lorna Scorbie. Conejo, Conejo, Conejo por Lorna Scorbie. I am the only child in my family, and that is the way I like it. Soy el único hijo de mi familia, y así es como me gusta. The fox next door says she likes having rabbits around. The more the merrier, she says, but I can't see why. La zorra de al lado dice que le gusta tener conejos cerca. Cuanto más, mejor, dice ella, pero yo no puedo ver por qué. I like having everything to myself. A mí me gusta tener todo para mí mismo. My flower, mi flor, my stretching area, mi zona de estiramiento, my carrots, mis zanahorias, my bedroom, mi dormitorio. But my parents have some news. Pero mis papás me tienen unas noticias. Suddenly, I am no longer an only child. De repente, yo ya no soy el hijo único. I no longer have everything to myself. Ya no tengo todo para mí. Destroying my flower, destruyendo mi flor. Napping in my stretching area, durmiendo en mi área de estiramiento. Eating my carrots, comiendo mis zanahorias. In my bedroom, en mi dormitorio. I have to establish some rules. Yo tengo que establecer algunas reglas. Your side, my side. This works well. Tu lado y mi lado. Esto funciona bien. Until, hasta que, my parents have more news. And more, and more. Mis padres tienen más noticias. Y más, y más. Something has to be done. Hay que hacer algo. Then I remember the fox. Y luego me acuerdo de la zorra. Would you look after these rabbits? ¿Podrías cuidar a estos conejos? Gladly. Con mucho gusto. Yes. Sí. It's just me. Just me and all this space. Solo soy yo. Solo yo y todo este espacio. Just me. Solo yo. I go next door. Voy al lado. Would you like to come in too? The more the merrier. ¿Te gustaría entrar? Cuantos más, mejor. Okay, then I guess. Yo supongo que sí. And much to my surprise, y yo me sorprendí. It is fantastic. Cuando vi que era fantástico. The end. Fin. I hope you enjoyed today's story. Now stay tuned for this week's craft tutorial. Espero que les haya gustado el cuento. Ahora manténgase atento para el tutorial de la manualidad de esta semana. It is now craft time with Miss Sandra. Today we're going to be making A B for bunny. Here are our materials. We're gonna need a printout of some bunny ears, some markers, some cotton balls, scissors, glue, and a pink piece of paper. The first thing you want to do is grab your pink piece of paper and something to write with and make a really big B. And make sure to leave some space at the top for your bunny ears. The next step is to cut out your bunny ears and glue them onto the top of your B. Once you've done that, you're going to take your cotton balls and start gluing them all around your letter B. And you keep going until you have no more cotton balls left. And don't forget to give him a little tail. The last step is to grab your markers or crayons and then draw your little bunny face on. After you have your bunny face, you are all done. I hope you liked this week's craft. See you again next week. Gracias por acompañarnos hoy. Thanks for joining us today.